In last lecture, we have completed our practice set 11.1. There are 3 examples in this practice set. Today we will see our next point, that is the subdivided bar graph or diagram. Subdivided bar graph or diagram, what is its meaning and how we have to draw subdivided bar graph or diagram, we have to see in today's lecture. As in a joint bar, we have studied the joint bar in our last standard. In joint bar, 2 bars are joined to each other and they are shown on the graph paper. As in joint bar, we can compare the information in the data by a subdivided bar graph also. Here, information of 2 or more constituents is shown by parts of a single bar. You can see this graph here. 2 types of information are shown in a single graph. This type of graph is known as the subdivided bar graph or diagram. Here they have given us practice set 11.2 on this topic. There are 4 examples, but 4th example is deleted from the syllabus. So there are only 3 examples for you to solve from this topic. We will see 3rd example from 11.2 and how we have to follow the steps, how we can draw the subdivided bar graph. See, there is in this example they have given us the total. They given us a table where number of trees planted in the year 2016 and 2017 in 4 towns is given. You can see the table and we have to show the data with the help of subdivided bar graph. For this I have drawn the table on here on the blackboard. We have to add one row in it. See, here is the total column or total row which is added in this table. That means the first step during the when we draw the subdivided bar graph, the first step is first prepare a table of the given data as shown above. They directly give us the table. We added one column in it or one row in it. That is the total column. Now they have given us information about the trees. How many trees are planted in year 2016 and 2017. Here in the 4 villages are given: Karjat, Vadgaon, Shivapur and Khandala. And years are 2016 and 2017. Thus we have shown the information. They give us the data, how many trees are planted in these 2 consecutive years. Then we have to complete the 3rd row, that is the total number of trees. Here we do the addition of the first 2 columns and the 3rd row is completed here. Now 2nd step is draw x-axis and y-axis on the bar graph or on the graph paper. We have to take the graph paper. I have drawn it here on the blackboard, but you have to draw it on your graph paper. Then by taking the graph paper, we have to draw x-axis. It is horizontal, x-axis, and this is the vertical, that is the y-axis. It is crossed here. It is the point or origin. Like this, you have to draw x and y-axis on your graph paper. Then write the name of towns on the x-axis. Here I have write down the names. 4 towns are given here. The names are given here by keeping equal distance between the 2 consequent bars. I have taken 1 centimeter distance in between the 2 consequent bars. Like this, you have to take write the names of the villages or towns on the x-axis, and then y-axis take a suitable scale. In some examples they have given us the scale, or otherwise we have to take the scale as your mind. Here I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 50 trees. This scale is written on the right hand side of this graph paper. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 trees. Then for our convenience, year 2016 it is shown by the blank, and in 2017 there are the slanting lines given here, so we can identify the 2 different years by this differentiation, that is subdivision. Then we have to draw the bars of total on the graph paper. Here we have drawn the total. We have to draw the bar on the graph of the height of this total amount. Here Karjat have 350 trees, so I have drawn the bar up to 350. Vadgaon has 550, so I have drawn bar up to this. Shivapur has 450 trees, so I have drawn bar up to this. And at Khandala there are 250 trees, I have drawn graph up to this height. Then we have to subdivide the graph. How we have to divide? First we have to take the reading of 2016 and do division inside the bar. In 2016, Karjat town planted 150 trees. So draw a line on 150. In Vadgaon 250, in Shivapur 200, and in Khandala 100, and remaining are the number of trees which are planted in 2017. Thus we have subdivided bars. They can show the blank space shows the plants planted in 2016, and the slanted line portion shows the plants planted in the 2017. Thus we have completed here. Example number 3, we have drawn the subdivided bar graph. The following steps we have to follow while drawing the subdivided bar graph. Then in second example, we have to do the same procedure. They have given us the information about number of boys and girls in 5th standard to 8th standard in ZP school. It is given here, and they have given us the scale. How many students we have to take on according to 1 centimeter on y-axis. We should take 10 students on 1 centimeter on the y-axis. They have given us the table. We have to draw total number of students below it, and then draw the bars as I told here. Follow steps and then complete the example number 2. Here I have taken the first example. Observe the following graph and answer the questions. They have given us the subdivided bar graph, or you can see on the page number 71. We have to answer the questions they have given us. We can see in the graph they shows the information about the women and their savings. On x-axis there are names of the women. There are 5 women and their saving in rupees is shown on the y-axis. First question is state the type of graph. You can see here, this is the graph. You can see the subdivided portion here. So it is the subdivided bar graph. Second question is how much is the saving of Vaishali in the month of April. You can see colored portion is of saving in April and blank portion is of saving in March. They have asked us how much is the saving of Vaishali in month of April. Here last number is the Vaishali. You can see this is her saving in month of April. Total saving is 800. Saving in March is 600. So saving in April will be 800 minus 600. That is 200 rupees are saved in the month of April. Next question is how much is the total of saving of Saroj in the month of March and April. See the saving of Saroj. Second number is the Saroj. We have to find the total of savings of Saroj in month of March and April. So we have to calculate the height of whole bar. This is the saving in March. This is the saving in April. So its total saving will be 800 rupees. Third question is how much is the fourth question we have to see how much more is the total saving of Savita than the total saving of Megha. Total saving of Savita is 1000 rupees and total saving of Megha is 600 rupees. Total saving of Megha is 550 rupees. This is the saving. And Savita is 1000 rupees. So 1000 minus 550 means 450 rupees are saved by Savita more than the Megha. And the last question is whose saving in the month of April is the least. Month of April is this blackened portion. Here saving is less. That means the Megha saving in month of April is the less than all of other women's. Thus here we have completed practice at 11.2. Two types of examples are asked on the subdivided bar graph. One is directly they have given us the subdivided bar graph and asked the questions like question number 1. Otherwise they must give us the data and we have to draw subdivided bar graph according to their data and complete the questions. Here we have completed practice at 11.2. You have to solve practice at 11.2 and take revision of this practice set and draw the graphs in the graph book. Here we will stop today. Thank you.